Go ahead.
Hello, Space Group, SpaceX Group. I just wanted to make a special video for you. Now, of course, you know this is Saturn V rocket. This is first stage. What do you call this? Instrument unit, second stage. We have the third stage over here. We have where we keep the lunar module here. We have the service module. The little command module looks little from this perspective because this is 363 feet tall. Now, what I've noticed in the arithmetic is that this thing goes up about that far, about 6 feet in 1 second. As soon as it leaves the launch pad. Now, as it continues to go up, by the way, others are welcome to join me on my weekly video too, but this one's for space people. Now, of course, you can use Newtonian physics. You can use graphs to express the same things I'm going to express here today. I said that there's two methods that I know, the graphing method and the Newtonian method. Is there a third method? I want to know something about, because it went up 6 feet, someplace else in the trajectory where it's going to go 6 feet. I thought, well, what a better place than right after it clears the tower. It's going a lot faster then, maybe about as fast as my hand was moving, but that's very fast when you think about how big this thing is. And so here I had come up with a different formula. I'm sure you all know this one already. But anyway, if my wife would please come over and hold this, thank you, Sandra, and let me explain what's going on here. Okay, what you see there is delta F plus delta F, okay, equals time. That's great, but you have to break that down. First of all, you have to know that delta F sub 1 equals 6x equals 80. So you have to figure out what x is. Big deal. Okay, that's nothing. It's all addition because, well, multiplication is the same thing as addition. Now, you add that to delta F sub 2. If you're interested in that little 6-foot space, and then that's 6x squared equals 86. Now, all you do is add the two together. X sub 1 plus x sub 2, which happens to be, in this case, 0.05 plus
Don't worry.
0.05 plus 0.06976774. That's equivalent to 0.44767 seconds. That's how long it takes to go 6 feet up once it's cleared the tower. That last 80 feet represents the last 80 feet that the vehicle moves coming up the launch pad. Now, compare that to 6 feet in 1 second. That's right after liftoff. And this thing is burning 15 tons of fuel per second as it's going up. You've seen the launches. They're very exciting. But I think there's another exciting aspect. How does it work? And this is one way that it works right there. Again, it's delta F plus delta sub 1 sub 2, because they're both different. Now, these numbers have to stay the same. The 6 has to stay the same. The 6 has to stay the same. And then you'll see a 6 on the other side of the equation. And using the additive property of addition, commutative property of addition, you can switch these around if you wish, these things. But you're going to have a 6. You're going to have a 6. If it's on this side, it's going to have to be on the other side. So this is a 6 feet right after it clears the tower in that last second. What happens right after it clears the tower? Goes that extra 6 feet. Look at that, 0.447674 seconds. And that's how I know it. Very basic arithmetic. I'm sure everybody knows this, but I just thought I was just having some fun with it. All right, thank you very much for watching me. And I play a lot of music and things, and join me that way. My YouTube channel name is Dancing124, DANSING 124, and I can also be found on musicyoda.com. That's MUSICYODA.com, and that's on the that's my website. Let's see. I'm also on Facebook, and I like when people just sort of post things on my Facebook too, comments, whatever it is. All right, thank you very much for watching me. I am Dan Reagan, at your service. All right, thank you. Enjoy. Enjoy that equation. It's a lot of fun. You could plug anything you want into it.